so inherently in the collaborative sacred space of the conch or conch conch. Well, it depends how you say it. It changes quality. It's almost as if there's an inherent change of point of view that goes integral through the circle of interest. There can be a higher hierarchy based on nested circles and concentric circles for the system, depending on how you envision it through the numbers we already invented for the structure. Concentric circle system is right here, and we have it. There just needs a way to conceptualize it in here and see how different monuments progress through input node system will be beneficial for the NL and multi level marketing fakery that is essentially there for like a monopoly system, monopoly game system, but it's NLN. And there's no money making. It's just group dynamics. You collectively work within a group system, and it's not real. It's just a facet, kind of like something fun to play. And I don't think there will be another integrally a sense of disruption with it because you're just kind of tagging along and going through the circus of whatever it is. So, companions everywhere, welcome to the TARDIS right here. I'm just right here with you in this space. It's essentially a disruptive area that allows the system to break, but not break. It depends on the novel monument for the positional system. But it's just speculative, theoretical space where you're essentially in a more better space for you. And it can be implemented everywhere. Outside, inside, you develop this space because it's anti-meditation layers to not collapse rooms or spaces into points of reference, but fields of reference. And it's a field mechanism that could be used on multiple aspects, but it's all about glyphs that we use, like alpha, and we rotate through alpha to get to novel areas. I don't know, that's complicated though. It's a bit complicating, but it works, essentially, I would say. It starts from 1-0, and then after 1-0, it's 0-0-1, and then because it was 1-0, 1-0, okay, it's 1-0. So it'd be 1-1-0, 1-0, 1-1. I'll do it on paper. One sec. Complicated. Okay. This is wrong. It's 1-0. No, 1-0. And then you have to figure out what the next position is. Oh, it's backwards too. So Oh, at 0, 1. That's cool. So now we completed that account and we go into higher layer 0, 1. And we don't put it there, we put it underneath. So then we have 1011, 11, 1, 1, and just continue. It's complicated. The system is going to be developed over time, but we basically have the solution for the whole structure. We're going to use temporal placer, uncategorized, non-positional elements called unidentified script. And the unidentified measure will be chaotic because it's entirely multifractal. And it's basically similar to entropic data, which is chaotic, but the data isn't inherently chaotic. It's just a system that is anti-real, contradictory, that allows more reals to interpret itself through diffusion, equilibrium, static overbearing symmetry and synchronicity. And it also works like that as a cardinal value. But it's not even like that. It could be a different descriptor for what it is. It's just one of the descriptors for something that we describe in computation. And it could be a second layer, but working on that. But yeah.